my beautiful people, I'm doing amagwinya namhlanje. Just for your lunch, I need cook and chicken livers. Understand? My apa iyachitheka ngibonisa. Amanyama yathina iyachitheka sho. Do amagwinya with what? With a chicken liver. Chicken liver and fat cooks I'm gonna do. I'll show you guys the final product, the final dish. Hey. It's for lunch. Something fatarach.
What are you doing? Oh.
Those who love me supposed to be next to me. But clearly, only Jesus, only God who loves me. So I love him too. And action. So ladies, don't bite on the apple. Only use the Apple phone. What's the apple if? Say you love. I'm gonna do my fat cookie. I grab my chips. Fat cookie. Sticky. Voila. I'm so excited in the lunch. The fat pork and the chicken livers. Daddy crave that thing. Daddy crave. So watch this video. You'll see at the end. I see the mom. Woo! Don't you? Chances. I don't know why I'm doing this, but that chicken liver, I mean, like so tiny and small portion, but you know what? When I have it with my fat cookie, I don't care. You know what? We don't care. This, it reminds me of school when Amagwinya neliver kanosesinolwandle. Yho, sasiwa enjoya. Sifola ilines ansingancami. Basimagwinya kanosesinolwandle. If you've been efazeka, you know sesinolwandle. Amagwinya amnandi neliver chum. So every time I'm doing this meal, it reminds me of my high school days. Chicken liver with fat cooks and the ginger beer. Woo! That was my lunch for the day. This is my final product dish. Fat cook and chicken liver. Let's just taste. Ooh, yeah. Nice. Tasting time. Let's taste. Don't put your voice close like a big camera. It's salty, but in manage. Well done to myself. It's gonna cover. I want to shop right to buy cooking oil, chicken livers with our cooking oil. Yeah, cooking oil. For me to make this. Thank us. So I did it. I did it. Thank you. Thank me. Why am I doing this? Action. Craving winter dish. Because it's shushu. It's shushu. So bravo, mama.
Bravo.
Send us help.
Hey, how you doing? Hey.